onto the field now. Cheering for the home team, the 1997 JV Flyweight Canals Park Thunderbird cheerleaders. And now they're coming back off. Sight. All right, looks like we've got some awards to give out. I've got a list that's been presented just to me on yellow paper. All types of awards. We'll get things started off with the crowning of Miss Acrobat, Tasha Santos. Miss Active, Miranda Barabauer. Miss Ambition, Kayla Stanton Thornton. Miss Creative, Kathy Wolf. Miss Energy, Ashley Cabral. Yeah! Miss Friendly, Michelle Bodine. Miss Personality, Ashley Ferris. Miss Smiley, Jennifer Wolf. And Miss Vocal, Brittany Beck. Moving up to the next sheet of paper. Miss Spirit, Jeanette Pent. Miss Congeniality, Rachel Hagedorn. Most Improved, Stephanie Hayes. And now the crowning of our princess, Miss April Pent. And special announcement all around, April Horner. We also have to crown the prince, and I think he's over there talking to his head coach.
Oh, he's... Where did he sit?
And now the announcement of our prince for the JV flyweights, Mr. Eric Grajales. Such a Kodak moment. All right, how about a nice big kiss between the prince and princess? Okay, maybe not. Hey, about...
I know what I did with it, I crumpled it up.
I remember. I don't want that from you.
But you gotta get it.
I don't want it.
You wanna do trash for trash?
If I get it, I won't do it today.
I'll give it to Jason. Get it. Get it me. I get it my little brother. Jason gonna do it for me.
He want a PlayStation.
All right, performing next. It's the junior varsity flyweight Pinellas Park Thunderbirds.
You retarded. Haven't you heard Mama from a school that you work at? Heard of that, right?
One, two. Check me out right here, yo.
Yo, the sun don't shine forever, but as long as it's here, then we might as well shine together.
Don't you stop it, don't you stop what you're doing. You don't really want to stop.
That looks like our head referee, Alan Terry, is at the 50-yard line. He's going to ask the teams to come out onto the field over on the east. Let's go! All right, here comes our first return here in the ball. 19, number 74, Randy Mitchell. She takes it across.
Line A's tight end is Megan Patterson. Here's the snap to the ball. Big rush in the backfield. The flag comes off on the carry. It's number 2, Jessica Williams. She's going to be dropped for a loss. That's going to bring up third down. Here comes third down for the Flyways. Perennial Super Center Shelley Merritt to snap the ball. The ball will take the snap, 2 backs in the backfield. Taking the handoff. Here's the throw. It's picked off. Here comes the return by number 60. That could be Tricia Stanton or Courtney Ann. That's Sherry Oliver. She's the quarterback for the Mighty Mites. 2 backs in the backfield. Out of the shotgun, direct snaps is just going to turn it upfield on the right side. Still has the flag. Pickup of maybe 6 yards. The flag falls off and it's recovered by Ashley Cabral. 2 backs in the backfield. That looks like Stanton and Ashley follow. Here's the snap. Hand off to Stanton. Stanton's looking to throw. Fires. And out of the hands of number 33. And that might have been a defensive player. I get really confused when everybody got the same jersey. No, that's Jennifer Isles, the intended receiver. Andrews over the ball at center. Again taking the snap is Oliver. Stanton and Isles. Stanton gets the carry. Here comes the reverse. It's number 60 with the carry. Make that 66, Leslie Bell. Her flag's going to be taken in the backfield. That's number 80, could be Shelley Merritt. West has a lot of us fear. The Flyway cheerleaders cheer almost as good as they play football. Big 4th down for the Mighty Mites. Direct snap goes to number 7, Oliver, and she's going to slide out of bounds short. Flyways are just out cheering the Mighty Mites. I don't know if it's sheer volume of cheerleaders or just overall spirit. Here's the reverse again. That's going to go to Randy Mitchell. Looking for room on the left side. Her flag's going to be taken. It's number 42, Amanda Reeves on the... Snapping the ball is number 75, Michelle Foster. And that's going to do it for the first quarter. On the far side, the wideout, Nicole Goodman. All right, play action fake, takes off on the left side. She's got some room, streaking down the field. Finally, the flag is taken by number 60. That's Trish Stanton on the defense for the Mighty Mites. Here comes 4th down.
No.
All right, it's trophy day. Ashley! All right, looks like Ashley snuck off. She's about to get her trophy. There's Ashley, still waiting to get her trophy. They're beginning to dish them out now. Here's all the hardware. Very shiny. There's the patient Ashley Crow. Here's Ashley finally getting her trophy. Smile, Ashley. There she is. All right. Such pomp, such circumstances.